how to create account on Dola AI. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you are looking forward to create a new account on Dola AI, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Dola on a device. Now, if you are not logged into your account, on top of your screen you will see this option, login now for more features, so simply tap on it. And then you will see this pop-up on bottom of your screen, so here simply tap and continue with Google. Creating account with Google is quick and easy. And then you will be asked to select the Google account. So simply select any account which you want to link with Dola. And then tap and continue. And then you will be asked to enter your birthday. So simply select year, month and date. Once you do that, tap on next. And that is all. You have successfully created account on Dola. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.